Good morning, children. How are you all? I guess everyone is happy and good, I think, right? Yes. Children, now you are all in the house, right? You are not coming out of the house because of corona, right? So, are you taking care of the corona? Yes, I guess. So, take healthy food and stay healthy and be at home and be safe. Okay, children. So, today we are going to learn some fun activity for LKG children. Yes? Children, which class are you studying? LKG, yes. And which school? You didn't forget, right? Yes, Gautam Model School. So, it is in Vanasthalipuram, right children? Yes. So, welcome to LKG children and Vanasthalipuram Gautam Model School. Okay? Today, we are going to learn some fun activity, that is coloring activity and joining the dots also. Right? Yes? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes. Children, see here on the board, look at the board. What is this? You can't understand this because it is just given dots, right? So, I will show you in your textbook where it is given. See, this is LKG textbook. Everybody is having this book, I think, right? Yes. So, ask your parent to give this term 1 LKG and open the book. This is the page number 1. So, it is a fun time. What it is given? Fun time. So, everybody open this page and color it. And what fruit come out, children? Can you guess? It is a strawberry. Which fruit is this? Strawberry. And you know children, strawberry is in which color? It is red in color. Which color is this? Red in color. And this stem, a small stem and leaf also is there. This is green in color. Already it is given, but you need to color only this red color. And even this black ones, this small circles are given, right? This is you need to color with a black crayon. Right children? Okay. Do you like this one? And you tell me which color do you like mostly? Okay. I like red color, you know. Yes. Children, can you see this one? And if you want to know more about this page, you can scan this one, this page even. Here it is given scan. And one more thing, if you want to see this page clearly, you need to download app, Ratnasagar app. Here it is given very clearly how to download the app. It is given, this is LKG book, in every book it is given children. It is the back of this textbook, it is given how to download the Ratnasagar app. And after downloading this one, like LKG and page number and all the worksheets also, you can see in that. If you scan this one here, easily you will learn how to color this strawberry. Yes? And even I am also going to show you on the board how to color the strawberry. Yes? Do you like children to color the pictures? Yes, I like, you know. We will start coloring the strawberry children. Here the dots are given and evenly you need to join the dots one by one. It improves your concentration levels even, you know. You are sitting in one place and joining the dots. While joining the dots children, next dot, next dot, next dot, next dot, next dot, draw properly and don't go here and there at all. Just it should come very neatly. And you see one by one, next dot, next dot, next dot and next dot. go up and join the dots. Wow, it's beautiful. What is this? Strawberry. Now children, in between even a small circles also are there. We will draw this with a black color and color it with a black color only, children. Now for clear I am doing it with a pink brown color, because already we have black color board, so I am drawing with a brown color. Okay children, so look at me and look at the board, listen to me properly, and how to color also you will learn. See here. And by drawing all this, it improves concentration levels and it improves your color concept also. And one more thing also children, I want to tell you how to color the picture. And like however you want to color, like this zigzag way, will you color? No, it's a wrong way. You know children how to color the strawberry and whatever picture it is? See, you need to start with a sleeping line manner. You know, did you learn children the sleeping line in the nursery? Yes, you have learnt. Now, we are going to color the strawberry. How? See, we have to start with the corners. Start. In sleeping line, how I am drawing children? Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I'm not at all drawing like a zigzag way, right? So, you need to color it with a sleeping line to complete the picture in a proper way. Yes, it's coming very beautifully. You can enjoy the picture, you can enjoy the coloring also. Yes? Yes, it improves your color concept, and whatever picture you see, right, which color I have to color, you will think about the colors, right? So, the strawberry is a red in color. Which color? Strawberry is red in color. See, all the way I have completed the picture by drawing sleeping lines, not at all zigzag or else slanting lines or else standing lines. Completely I have completed this, finished this coloring part by drawing with sleeping lines. Yes? Yes, in this way you need to complete the picture, right? If you do some zigzag also, it looks awkward, doesn't look nice. So, you need to draw it in proper way to avoid gaps, right? See how nicely it is looking, right? So, and even here children, which color? Green color leaf. Which color leaf it is? The leaf should be in a green color. Which color? Green color. See, even this one also I am drawing with a flat one, and evenly you need to color it. By doing this activity, what you will improve children? Color concept and concentration levels, and it helps to improve your fine motor skills even. Right children? So, how I have drawn this picture, joined picture, and how I have colored the picture, you also should color in this way only. This is small homework for you. A worksheet will be given to you children online, and even you can see in your textbook even. Page number 4. It is given in the page number 4. Complete this pattern and send to teacher. Okay. This Same these two. How many strawberries are there? 2 are there. So these 2 strawberries you need to complete and send to your teacher. Okay children, see who will do the best, they will get more stars. Okay, do you want stars children? Yes, I think. All the best. Bye bye.